Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks, we love to hear what you guys think of different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. In this video, we're going to look at how the crypto markets have crashed and the stock markets and what your strategy could be going forward. And guys, before we jump into this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. It's been an absolute bloodbath in the stock markets recently, but we had a remarkable recovery on Monday. The Federal Reserve has commenced their first gathering, which could really set the tone for 2022. Yesterday, the S&P 500 was in jeopardy at closing in a correction, but it had a major turnaround in the broader markets. The broader market index would have needed to close at 4,316.90 cents to have not fallen below 10% of its January 3rd levels. But that's not all. The crypto market crash erased $1 trillion worth in market value. But this could pose an opportunity for investors to buy the dip, not just in the stock market, but in crypto-centric stocks as well as in cryptocurrencies themselves, because fundamentals itself have not actually changed. It's more the fact that there's more regulatory pressure from Russia and China that has resulted in the crypto market crash. So when it comes to Bitcoin is the major indicator on how the rest of the crypto market performs. When Bitcoin declines in price, it tends to be that altcoins follow in exaggerated manners. And for Bitcoin, there's only been one constant recently, that is decline after decline, and same for the majority of the altcoins. The Federal Reserve have been intending to withdraw stimulus, and that has affected riskier assets. And Bitcoin, the largest digital asset out there, lost around 12% on Friday, and it fell to levels below $36,000. This, guys, was the lowest level since July. In fact, since its peak in November, it's lost over 45% in value. So Bitcoin's price is currently sitting at $36,205. As you can see, Bitcoin's price has been declining since November. It's wiped out more than $600 billion in market value, and over $1 trillion has been lost from the aggregate crypto market. Now, the thing is, crypto is quite vulnerable to these sorts of sell-offs because it has higher volatility historically, and they tend to be riskier assets. But since they have quite large market caps, the volatility is inevitable, both in raw dollar terms as well as in percentage terms. But the thing is, with the Federal Reserve's intentions rocking both cryptocurrencies and stocks, a dominant theme has emerged in the digital asset space. Cryptos, but also stocks, have been affected. The Biden administration is going to be releasing a government-wide strategy on digital assets as early as next month. They've tasked the federal agencies with the risks and opportunities that they pose. But the thing is, this could be a good thing. Having increased regulatory pressure could mean that crypto becomes mass adopted in the future, as it does lack in fundamental regulation. So because of the uncertainty, we've seen the crypto markets crash, but this could be better for the long term. And many times, historically speaking, when we see these huge crashes, we tend to see huge rallies up in prices. However, remember, historical performance is not always indicative of future performance, but it tends to be what we've seen in the past. Now, one of the largest things that have been lacking in crypto markets have been adequate regulations. And perhaps this move could help clarify what the correct way forward is for DeFi and the cryptocurrency space in itself. Now, one of the stocks that's at the forefront in adapting to these changes is Coinbase Global. The ticker for the Coinbase stock is COIN, and the current price for Coinbase is 191.48 cents, and the analyst rating consensus is a strong buy. And the analyst price target on COIN is a whopping $411.43, which is 114.87% upside. Although we did see Coinbase lose at 1.16%, falling to its lowest level since its public debut in spring of 2021, the fundamentals itself have not changed, but actually improved. Coinbase reported stellar Q3 2021 results, and they're going to have their next report date on February 10th, 2022 for their Q4 period. They reported earnings per share profits of $1.62 versus $1.72, which were consensus analyst estimates, which was a 10-cent miss. But their revenues grew 315.7% year over year to $1.3 billion. Their monthly transacting users also grew by 252% year over year to 7.4 million. Trading volume did, however, fall to $327 billion versus $462 billion, which was analyst expectations. Amidst all the regulatory concerns, Coinbase has even hired former SEC counsel to serve as senior public policy manager. Coinbase has very much been in line with the public policy push for regulation. And this is why they have focused on the creation of a dedicated crypto regulator. With increasing regulations, even on the tax front, Coinbase unveils new tax support features as the IRS have increased scrutiny on the crypto industry. They've actually partnered with CoinTracker to provide detailed accounting of capital gains and losses. CoinTracker is a crypto tax software provider that will give Coinbase customers a free report on up to 3,000 transactions conducted on Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Wallet, or any third-party cryptocurrency wallets. They've also had fantastic news with MasterCard. They have an NFT payments deal with them amidst the recent wave of crypto partnerships. This news is fundamental for Coinbase's growth. Coinbase customers will be able to use MasterCard credit and debit cards to make purchases through the crypto company's upcoming NFT marketplace. Another crypto-centric stock that has potential is Microstrategy. Microstrategy is a business intelligence software company that's taken to accumulating Bitcoin. The stock ticker is MSTR, and the current price for MicroStrategy is $370.45. The analyst rating consensus deems it to be a strong buy, and the analyst price target is a whopping $800.33, which is a 116% upside. The MicroStrategy stock fell by 15% on Monday's pre-market trading, after shedding almost 18% on Friday. But again, this has been because of rising geopolitical and economic uncertainties. Of course, there have been fears of rising interest rates as well as the fear of a Russian invasion of Ukraine. Furthermore, the Bank of Russia's proposal to ban cryptos is also adding to the rout. So guys, that's an update with what's been happening in the crypto markets and a brief look at two crypto-centric stocks. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Here at TipRanks, we love to hear from you. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!